What's up guys, L Bridges back with another tutorial, and today we're going to be talking about how to install a weave in your program, right? So let's say the situation is we have our setup, right? Our fittings are not sitting the same every time. It's not consistent. We have a big gap here and it's flowing hose and we just need help filling it in, okay? So we want to put a weave in this area, and I'm going to show you how to do that. All right, so you're going to go into your program, right? After your weave start, your weld start, we want to enter our weave. And how we're going to do that, we're going to go to EDCMD, right? We're going to hit F5. All right, it's going to bring in a window. We're going to hit that insert number 1. Okay. It's going to ask us how many lines we want to insert. We just want one line. All right, and then we're going to hit enter. All right, boom. Now you see that I have my area to where I can install whatever I want to at this point. Okay. Now this is critical because whenever you put in a weave or a jump start or anything, you know, you want to know how to insert a line. Okay, so now that we got that established, we want to go to instruction list, right? So we have a list of windows that come up. Okay, we're going to go to this window over here and we're going to go to weave. So we're going to hit number 2 and press enter. All right, so now we have our list of weaves. All right, you see all those different types of weaves. We're going to do weave 1. Okay, so now that we have that installed inside there, don't worry about this box. We're going to get to that later. That's more of your schedule. So when you're setting up your weave schedule, you can make your own type of scheduled weave for this particular program. But I'm just showing you guys how to get to the weave and how to insert it into your program at this moment. So let's not worry about that. So now that we got our weave in, we want to be able to turn our weave off after we get it started, right? So we have our weld start, then the weave starts, right? And then at the end, we have our end start. So what do we need? We need to end our weave. So we're going to cursor down to this number 8, right? We're going to go back over here to EDCMD, all right? And we're going to insert another line, number 1. How many lines do you want? We just want 1. Enter. Boom. Now we have our space, all right? We're going to go to instruction. We're going to go back to that window number 2. And we're going to hit number 2 for weave, right? All right, now this time, instead of the weave sign, we're going to go to weave in, all right? Hit enter. Boom, now we have our weave in then, okay? All right, so now that we have our weave in, right after our weld in, we are ready to rock and roll. So I'm going to show you how this looks real quick. Hold on. Now I got my program ready, and let's get this thing started real quick. So I'm going to hit forward, and as you can see, I have my weave in there, and what do you know? We have our weld doing a weave, okay? So that is how you install a weave. And that's just a real tutorial to show you guys how to install a weave. If you have any questions, comments, or anything, put them down in the comment section. Like and subscribe. This is L Bridges back with a quick tutorial on how to put in a weave.